If you've been laid off and the initial shock has worn off, but now you're wondering, what do I actually do next? This video is your calm, step-by-step plan, without panic, without pressure. Welcome back to her decadent diary, where feminine elegance meets real-life transitions. This is part 2 of our layoff series. In the first video, we focused on grounding, faith, and emotional stability. Today is about clarity, protection, and strategy. Step 1. If you have a severance package. If you were offered a severance package, do not rush to sign it immediately. What to do? Read everything carefully. Check timelines and restrictions. Possible, consult an employment attorney or legal clinic. Ask questions professionally and calmly. A high-value woman protects her future before moving forward. Step 2. Ask for documentation. This is important. Even if it feels uncomfortable, ask. Ask your immediate supervisor or director for a recommendation letter or written confirmation they're willing to be a reference. Ask HR for a letter stating you were laid off due to a reduction in force, confirmation you were not terminated for cause. This protects you for future roles. Background checks and peace of mind. Step 3. If you did not receive severance. If you didn't receive severance, shift into support mode immediately. Ask yourself, do I have savings to cover the next 1-3 months? Do I need to apply for unemployment right away? If savings are limited, apply for unemployment ASAP. Look into county or non-profit emergency assistance. Do not delay. This is not failure, it's wisdom. Step 4. If you don't have an emergency fund. This is more common than people admit. Who to contact? County assistance programs, workforce development offices, community or faith-based organizations, trusted family support. Strong women use support systems, they don't suffer silently. Step 5. Keep or create a daily routine. Structure keeps fear from taking over. If you already had a routine, keep it, especially mornings. If you didn't, create a simple one. Wake time, prayer, reflection, light movement, job search block, rest. Calm routines create confident decisions. Step 6. Strategize your job search. Not random applying. Do not panic apply. Instead, update your resume, intentionally tailor it for roles you actually want. Identify companies and industries aligned with you. Step 7. Reach out strategically. Quiet confidence. Mass messaging. Reach out to former colleagues. Ask if they're open to referring you. Keep messages respectful and brief. Most opportunities come through people, not job boards. Step 8. Stay close to God and family. This is not optional, it's foundational. Stay grounded in prayer. Stay close to family support. Do not isolate. Faith keeps you steady when outcomes are uncertain. Final reminder, this season does not define you. Stay positive. Not by forcing optimism, but by choosing intention over fear. You are rebuilding with clarity, not desperation. If you'd like help creating your personal after layoff plan, I can help you clarify next steps, build a calm job search strategy, create a timeline that makes sense for your situation. I've linked a simple intake form and a checklist below if you want support during this transition. You don't have to do this alone.